Going to Wholefoods. Yay!
Wholefoods vlog.
Oh, wait a second. Maybe I need to do it here. In here. Don't know. Tell me how did you work, por favor. Because there is some numbers in here. No, but there is no sign, no signal, no. Please, how does that talk? Hey, you need to click talk. As long as it is not dairy, I don't mind if it's not vegan.
It says whole milk in it.
Hi, will it be possible to get like some toothpaste to my room, please?
So polite.
She caught me off guard and I was like, bring me some toothpaste. We are about to eat our beautiful chicken that cost us $20.
Yeah, this better be the best chicken of my entire life. This is some expensive chickens, but the question is it going to be cheaper to eat out or eat in without any knives?
We'll find out.
Yeah, stay tuned. Stay watching to find out. I feel like you should have the dollar sign coming up.
Oh yeah.
Ding, ding. Yeah, please edit that in, otherwise.
Okay, yeah. All of these. Avocado for chicken breast, for scones, celery, carrot, spinach, raspberries, blueberries, and some coffee. All adds up $54.
Well, I bring the goods. The celery is worth it.
Is it good?
I'm not kidding. That's
And
the best
this
celery
is
I've ever ate. This is
how we eat
salad of very exciting spinach, chicken with guacamole on, but it's pretty dry. It's like, look at that. Yeah, it cost $17.
Yes. This was $15, including the tip. Harriet's was $17.
But it didn't give me the option to tip, so.
Oh no, free tip? That's fine.
It's like,
So
I'm
good.
sorry, this one.
Together, all the little goodie bags for the girls. Yeah. I don't understand. This is giving me anxiety on another level. I think we've found the way. Look.
That's so good.
It is now official. Queen Elizabeth II, the longest-serving monarch of the United Kingdom, has died. She was 96 years old. You can see there not only that flag, but flags across the nation are being lowered now.
It feels surreal because she was perfect yesterday. Well, perfect.
And
Like there was like no signs that she might have been sick
Yeah.
to the point of her passing away. So it feels surreal as well, like being here in New York when everything is happening back home.
Feels just like it's surreal. This is
Yeah,
speechless.
it is.
Just speechless. That we were saying that we were not expecting, but
I
way
know.
into her high hundreds, that she's such a strong woman that you can imagine.
I don't know. So we're now gonna go explore, but I think like the atmosphere
Even
or the
between
whole
us.
energy is
Yeah.
weird.